Hey guys, welcome back, and it is that time. So throughout the month of May, for every $10 that you spent at mcvproducts.net, your name was entered in the drawing for a $150 gift certificate in this model kit. So that's if you spent $50 you got 5, if you spent 10 you got 1, you know, so on and so forth. Me and Ellie this morning, I gotta find a different way. I'll go ahead and tell you that. This is way too archaic and time consuming, but I took down every order that came in the month of May, however many $10 they spent, then I put their name down. Just use Notepad, because I'm not very tech savvy. Maybe some of you guys know a better way I could do this, but anyway, I did Notepad, just took however many times, put the name, just name, and I had like, oh man, must have been 20 sheets of names. And some of them, you know, had a lot of names on there because they, however much money they had spent. And let me tell you what, hand cutting these things out with scissors, oh my, there's a pile of names in here, a pile. And if you didn't, maybe you can see your name here. I don't know, there's Michael Collier, James Morris, Justin Snow. Let's see if I see another one. David Burnett, Michael Williams, Gary Tucker, Ryan Pulkneen. I don't know how you pronounce your last name. Or is it Renee? Renee. Is that French? I don't know. Anyway, okay, I already said Justin Snow. Mike Trent. Let me tell you, hundreds of names in here. And somebody's about to, just drop one. Just dropped James Morris. Don't want him to get out of the mix. Quick before that, I just got these stickers in. Finally, got some cool stickers to go in every order. So every order you get, you'll get a sticker. MCV Products, bring your model to life. So I have those now. So they just came in today. So only a couple orders today got them, but from now on, these will be in every order. Alright, so you're going to win a $150 gift certificate to mcvproducts.net, and you're going to get this model kit. I don't really need you to respond because I've already got your email address. Pretty sure everybody who buys something, you enter your email address. So if not, maybe you got your phone number, I'll give you a call or something. Anyway, we'll figure it out. So instead of me just pulling it in here and doing this like this number, I'm going to do it the cool way. Heather likes to shop at Kroger, so I'm about to drop all these names into the Kroger bag. I'm gonna reach in there and pull one out. All right, there's a few right there. There's Kevin Kitch and Keith Dvorak, sorry. Phonics not my strong point. And Donnie Griffin. Alright, you 3 guys are going in there too. Alright, bowl is empty. That's Heather's bowl. She'd probably kill me knowing I had it out here in my shop. Alright, so they're all in there. Give it a good... Oh gosh, there's a hole in the bag. Holy cow, I don't want to drop them out. Look at that. Alright. Give it a good shaking. And then, with no looking, reach in here just like this. Make it real dramatic. Yeah, there we go. Man, there's a ton in here. Okay, let's see if I can find me one. I'm just mixing them up more and more and more. All right, so I'm gonna pick one out. Here it is. Ready? Got a single. Mike Davis. Mike Davis, you did it. I don't know how many entries you had, but it only took one. Mike, I better keep that out here. Remember who it was. I could watch my videos. All right, Mike, so I'm going to send you a gift certificate by email, and I've got your address. This will go ahead and go out. Give you a couple of cool stickers, and this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So Man, there's a ton of names. Thank you everyone who participated. That was great. I mean, I'm probably pretty sure some people didn't even know it. Hopefully Mike knew it, because even if they didn't know it and they bought something, they got entered anyway. So Mike's getting this, and it was so much fun. Let's do it again. So let's do this. I just came up with this a while ago, by the way. I got these two kits recently at Michael's. So it's the all new tooling Jaguar XKE E-Type by Revell, 1/24 scale. 1/24 scale. Oh, they probably did it because it's probably maybe is this Revell Germany possibly? Is it? Yep, it is. Revell Germany. So this is 1/24 scale Jaguar XKE, and a 32 5-window coupe 2-in-1. I've never built one of these. I got a couple, so that's a pretty cool model kit. I've seen these built. They're phenomenal. They're cool. Got the Ford and the 392 or something like that Hemi. Got the Ford small block. So what we're going to do for the month of June is these two model kits and a $200 gift certificate to MCVProducts.net. So I think that'd be fun. So that'll start already. So there's already been orders, and what today is, the 4th, I think, of June. So if you've already made purchases, you're already entered. Yeah, let's do it again. Fun, fun, fun. I like to kind of do fun stuff, you know what I mean? I still have the snow plow that I want to do a giveaway on. That won't be associated with MCVProducts.net, but we'll do that too. I got to come up with some kind of something. I liked the little the way I did it last time when I gave something away. It was a scavenger hunt, because the scammers just love it when you do any kind of giveaway. And to keep the scammers away, I have to think of something like that too, so they can't participate unless they go back and watch all my videos and stuff like that. But anyway, I'll think of something on that. Snowplow, that'll be coming up very soon. And anyway, all right, for the month of June, these two kits and a $200 gift certificate. Again, congratulations, Mike Davis. I'll get this out to you, and I'll email you your coupon code for $150. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who goes to MCVProducts.net. It keeps Ellie super busy, and I appreciate it. You're great. I have oh heck, what was I about to say? Totally lost my train of thought. Well, that's not hard to do. Anyway, guys, hey, also don't forget, as always, go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Mark's got a sale going through, oh heck, was it through June 28th or something like that? It's extended, the Memorial Day sale. Go check it out. Get something over there at hobbynutmodels.com. Support a small business hobby shop. I think that's what we should do. Again, he's a real person. I've talked to him on the phone. I bet if you call Amazon, you ain't gonna get nobody at least has any clue about what's going on as far as the hobby goes. So go shop over there, hobbynutmodels.com. Linked always in the description of the video. Go check it out. All right, guys, thank you so much for all you do. We'll talk to you soon. Congratulations, Mike. See ya.